One of my least favorite things to do this time of year is tie a knot. And thankfully, my good friend Brett King once upon a time showed me a super easy knot that doesn't even require you to take your gloves off. So it does help to have a jig or something with some decent weight on it and no treble hooks. I call it the King swing. So thank you, Brett King. Here's how it goes. You put the line through the jig just like this, and you leave yourself plenty of room on the tag end so that you can, when you got fat fingers with gloves on, it just makes it a little bit easier. So all I'm going to do is lay the main line over these two fingers here, just like that. Now I'm going to lay the tag end over these two fingers, the same two fingers, going in the same direction, just like that. So now it's just a matter of me taking the tag end and wrapping it around this area right here about 5 or 6 times. It works with mono, it works with Superline, give it a few more twirls just so it doesn't slip through. But you just basically wrap it a few times, about 5 or 6 times. Now to finish the knot, you simply take the tag end, put it in between your two fingers, and allow that tag end to get sucked through that big loop. And now you're going to put about an even amount of tension on both the tag end and the main line. You can wet the knot if you want, but all you basically have to do is cinch that knot up, clip the tag end, and get back to fishing without ever exposing your bare hands to Mother Nature. It's a great knot to use this time of year on the river.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.